Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. And here we have a video for my book reviews. I do book reviews for junk journals and crafting and whatnot, and I started this series a couple weeks ago, and so I'm featuring a book, hopefully maybe every day, till I run out of books. So these are books in my own library or that I've just picked up in hauls. So if you're trying to search for books but you don't know what the inside looks like, I'm here to share with you what they look like and help you try to find some books. So this is a golden book, Walt Disney's Bambi. It measures 11 by 8 1/4, and it's a hardcover. There's the spine, and then there is the back of the book. Okay, let's take a look. This is 1984, Walt Disney Company, a golden book, Western Publishing Company in Racine, Wisconsin. Okay, and this has beautiful color illustrations. It is a sewn-in signature book, so the entire page can be taken out for a journal. Very thick pages, so we will go through it. I absolutely adore some of these old vintage Walt Disney books. Love this. Like I said, very thick pages. And that was it. That was a quick one, but that is Bambi, a golden book, Walt Disney. Isn't that beautiful? This would make a beautiful glue book, actually, so I might do that with this. So maybe watch that in my Etsy shop. I might do a glue book out of this one. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.